Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts and click on add account. Select Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it is email address. And click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. And once the password is entered, tap on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Tap on I agree if you do. Click on more, accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account is added and you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.